Hey guys, Aaron from Wild Science here, bringing you another episode of our YouTube series of tips, tricks, and tutorials for graphic design and sign setup. So this episode is episode 11, and it's a quick trick for using the hue adjustment in Photoshop to try out some new color combinations for text, if you're going to use text over an image or something like that. So what we're going to do first of all is we are going to rasterize these two layers of text together. Because the way we do this, we can't use editable text and we need it to be combined. So we're going to hide the background layer. We're going to select all, copy merged, and then we're going to paste in place. There are quick keys for those actions. If you don't have quick key setup or you don't know a lot of them, you can check out our episode that we did on setting up custom quick keys, which will save you a lot of time when doing design and sign setup. So now we got these merged together. We're going to hide the editable layers and add the background back on. And what we're going to do is we're going to go image, adjustment, hue, and saturation. So basically we're going to be moving the slider for hue and for lightness. So if we move this slider on hue, you can see it's going to totally change both colors of text, and you can come up with new combinations. So as I go this direction, I already kind of like this purple and this pinkish. I feel like it complements this side of the image, so that would be an option there. You can basically just slide through and see all different color combinations. This pink is kind of nice, pink and orange. This is back to where we started. If we keep going this direction, now we got orange and green. Green on green. And so yeah, you can slide through those and come up with totally new color combinations you might not have thought of using. And if we say we want the text to pop off the image more, we can actually darken the text, and then we can slide through. We can also lighten it up. Let's come up here, lighten it up a little ways, and roll through. So anyway, this is a quick way to run through and quickly see color combinations. You can do this with individual colors, but it just takes longer, and you're not getting both colors together and seeing what they look like together. So it's just a little trick that I learned to try to come up with some new color concepts. You can actually color drop them and turn them into swatches and then add them to your editable text layers. Cool. I hope that was helpful. If it was, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be doing a lot more videos of tips, tricks, and tutorials on graphic design and sign setup. Thanks a lot for watching.